What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Quick hopping in the garden. It's 47 degrees right now. I picked up a little pine bedding for like your rabbits. I want to cover the garlic that sprouted with the pine mulch, so hopefully it'll protect it if we drop down and get real cold. So here we go. The garlic, it goes from here. There's 28 cloves planted in here, and then another 12 planted over here. So I'm going to cover this all now. So in the springtime, as everything starts warming up and growing, I'm gonna take that pine mulch off, and then I'll either put it in a compost or use it to mulch around another plant, and that will go ahead and then allow the photosynthesis to take place with the garlic, so it can begin to then grow once we know we have a good warm temperature and the sun's going to be out. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.